it's raining. It's really raining too. And we're here on a 22-kilometre with Apollo at Escrick. So we'll see how we get on. If it's really horrendous, I'm only going to do half the course. Oh, right.
Yeah, we're going to put it up.
Oh, right. Because I did ask if it was enough room and there isn't going to be enough to put mine down. So thank you. Thank you. Following the permanent route round, so the green and blue arrows you see will also work for you.
That's great. Actually, I'm down the road.
Yes, you do. Yeah, I will.
Yeah. Yes, you do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I've put my hood up because it is raining that bad it goes down the back of your neck. Hopefully. I don't think it's actually as bad as it was a few moments ago. Good boy. Good boy. Go on, walking on. Good boy. Yes. Well, there we are. Unpleasant weather. Still, it's not raining as much as it was when we first got here. Wow, that's bad. That was just like somebody tipping it out of a bucket. So anyway, this isn't too bad. I mean, it's awful, but it's not as bad as it was. I'm going to try and remember to wipe the lens often. Just have to bear with us if it's not very good. I mean, if it's really bad, I won't even put it on, so you'll never know, will you? It's got his silver bow on today. Sent from my friend in Paris. Yes. He's just looking to see where that other horse is. He feels he should be herd leadering. Yes, go on. Steady. Steady, boy. Steady. Steady. It's all right. Carry on. Hiya. All right, thank you. don't know. I don't know. That's the trouble. I just don't know. I don't know whether it's straight on or whether it's that way.
Because it's been small blue arrows or orange ones.
Yeah.
Well, I think it's small blue. That bubble.
Oh! Ah, that's well spotted.
Well spotted, Sue.
Yes. That's good. Yes, that's because it was just under that puddle. We didn't see it, so that was very sharp eyes there. Oh, and there's another one there as well, so... Yeah.
You'll go on it. But I'm lost already. Because I'm Sue and this is Audra. You know, we're doing this supper on Tuesday.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. You're
Oh,
both coming,
yes,
aren't
we are both coming, yes.
Lovely, yeah.
Yes, we're coming.
We want to registration number and reported it to the police and we have a phone call within a couple of days. So they don't do anything.
Slow.
If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. We love reading the comments, we love emojis, and we'd love a thumbs up.